A memory table can tell a person's life story without saying a single word. From treasured photographs and favorite hobbies to military medals and family heirlooms, a well-designed memory table creates a meaningful tribute that helps family and friends remember, reflect, and celebrate a life well lived. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site. In today's video, we're exploring how to create a beautiful and meaningful memory table for a funeral, memorial service, celebration of life, or special remembrance event. Whether you're planning a tribute for a parent, spouse, sibling, child, or friend, a memory table can become one of the most memorable features of the service. A memory table is a dedicated display area that showcases important items representing the life, personality, accomplishments, and interests of the person being honored. Unlike a simple photo display, a memory table tells a story. It allows guests to connect with cherished memories and gain a deeper understanding of the individual's unique journey through life. The first step in creating a memory table is selecting the right location. Ideally, place the table near the entrance of the venue, where guests will naturally see it as they arrive. This allows visitors to spend time viewing the display before or after the service. If possible, choose a well-lit area with enough space for guests to gather comfortably without creating congestion. Next, begin gathering meaningful items that represent different stages of the person's life. Photographs are usually the centerpiece of any memory table. Include a variety of images from childhood, school years, career milestones, family gatherings, vacations, special celebrations, and recent years. Using photos from different decades helps tell a complete life story rather than focusing on a single period. Beyond photographs, consider adding personal items that reflect hobbies, passions, accomplishments, and interests. For a veteran, this might include medals, service photographs, uniforms, or military memorabilia. For an artist, it could be paintbrushes, sketches, or completed works. A musician's display might include sheet music, instruments, or concert programs. Gardeners, athletes, teachers, crafters, collectors, and business owners all leave behind unique items that help illustrate who they were and what they loved. Organization is important when arranging the display. Start with a focal point, usually a large framed portrait placed toward the center or back of the table. Surround it with smaller photographs, keepsakes, awards, and personal mementos. Vary the height of items using decorative boxes, small easels, or display stands to create visual interest. Layering objects at different heights helps the table appear balanced and professional. Many families also include printed materials, such as funeral programs, memorial bookmarks, prayer cards, obituary copies, guest books, or memory cards, where guests can write special messages. These items not only enhance the display, but also provide guests with opportunities to participate and share their own memories of the individual being honored. Adding decorative elements can help tie the display together. Fresh flowers, candles, battery-operated lights, favorite colors, seasonal accents, or themed decorations can complement the overall design. The key is to enhance the display without overwhelming the personal items. The focus should always remain on the life and memories being celebrated. If space allows, consider creating separate sections representing different chapters of life. One area might highlight family and childhood memories, while another focuses on career achievements, hobbies, volunteer work, or special accomplishments. This approach helps guests move through the display and experience a more complete picture of the person's life story. Technology can also be incorporated into modern memory tables. Digital photo frames can display hundreds of images, while QR codes can link guests to online memorial websites, video tributes, photo galleries, or digital guest books. These additions provide opportunities to share even more memories than a physical display alone can accommodate. Remember that a memory table does not need to be elaborate or expensive to be meaningful. Some of the most touching displays are simple collections of treasured photographs and personal items chosen with care and love. The purpose is not perfection. The purpose is connection. Each item serves as a reminder of a life lived, relationships built, and memories shared. A thoughtfully designed memory table creates a space where stories come alive and memories continue to be shared. It gives family and friends an opportunity to reflect, smile, reminisce, and celebrate the unique qualities that made their loved one special. Long after the service has ended, the images and keepsakes displayed on that table often remain among the most meaningful parts of the tribute. Thank you for joining me today. The Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site, is honored to provide educational resources that help families create meaningful tributes and lasting memories. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more guidance on funeral planning, memorial ideas, and end-of-life topics. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.